Hi students, today we will learn about blood group and blood pressure. First, let's see what is blood group. Blood group is a classification of blood based on the presence and absence of antibodies and inherited antigenic substances on the surface of red blood cells. On the surface of our RBC, sometimes there will be antibodies present, sometimes it is absent. From where we get this is, it is inherited. It is inherited. Inherited means received from ancestors or received by heredity from parents, from their grandparents, parents, and then it comes to us. Okay. That is how we inherit. That is what the meaning of inherited. Blood group is a classification of blood based on the presence or absence of antibodies. Okay, sometimes it is present, sometimes it is absent. On where it is? On the surface of red blood cells. That is what blood group. Blood group is discovered by Carl Landsteiner in 1900. Blood group is determined by the type of antigen present on the surface of red blood cells. Human blood is classified into 4 groups. They are A, B, AB and O. These are the 4 blood groups. It is determined by the presence of antigen on the surface of RBC or red blood cells. We learned that there are 4 blood groups. In this, which blood group can donate to which blood group and which blood group can receive blood from which blood group? We'll see. First one is A. A person who has A blood group, if a person's blood group is A, then he will have antigen on his red blood cells, which is A. Antibody in plasma will be anti-B. And A blood group person can donate blood to person who has blood group whose blood group is A and AB. Person whose blood group is A can donate blood to a person whose blood group is A and a person whose blood group is AB. And A blood group person can receive blood from a person whose blood group is A and a person whose blood group is O. Then a person's blood group is B. He will have antigen on his red blood cells, B antigen, and then antibody in plasma will be anti-A. A B blood group person can donate blood to a person whose blood group is B and a person whose blood group is AB. B blood group person can receive blood from a person whose blood group is B and a person whose blood group is O. Now we'll see AB group. Whose blood group is AB, on his RBC antigen will be A and B. Antigen A and antigen B will be there on his RBC. Then antibody in plasma will not be there. AB blood group person can donate blood to only a person whose blood group is AB. But AB blood group person can receive blood from all the groups, from group A, group B, O group and AB group. Last one is blood group O. There won't be antigen on red blood cells of a person whose blood group is O. Anti-A and anti-B will be present in the plasma. Then O blood group person can donate blood to group A, group B, group AB and O. That means all the blood group person can, the O blood group person can donate to all the groups. But a person whose blood group is O can receive blood from only a person whose blood group is O. He cannot receive blood from any other group. Person with AB type of blood group is called universal recipient. See, that is why he can receive blood from all the groups. It is called universal recipient. A person with AB type of blood group is called universal recipient because it can receive blood from all types. Then person with O type of blood group is called universal donor. Here O is universal donor because it can donate blood to all types. Each blood group is of two types depending on the presence or absence of the Rh factor. Now what is Rh factor? Rh factor is an inherited protein found on the surface of red blood cells. If your blood has the protein, you are Rh positive. If your blood doesn't have the protein, you are Rh negative. What is Rh factor? Rh factor is an inherited protein we receive from our ancestors. This protein found on the surface of red blood cells. If it is present in your blood or the surface of RBC, then you are Rh positive. If your blood doesn't have that protein, then you are Rh negative. Rh factor derives from the rhesus monkey. First experiment was done on rhesus monkey. That's how Rh factor got its name. Most of the people are Rh positive. Most of the people are Rh positive. Before we transfuse blood, before transfusing blood, we should know Rh factor. It needs to match with the person who is donating and receiving. Otherwise, clumping or agglutination of RBCs will take place. If we don't check Rh positive or negative, if it is not matching with, then when we transfuse blood to a person without knowing or without checking, then blood will have agglutination. RBCs will have agglutination. It's, it splits and the person can lose his or her life. It's very dangerous. So we should check before transfusing blood group and then Rh positive or negative. Without checking, we should not transfuse. When we transfuse, clumping or agglutination of RBCs will take place. That is very dangerous for a person's life. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.